Hi, Richard. This is Bob with Premier Water Cleaning Systems. This is the KSolara FK2 unit that we're going to send you for rental. And as we discussed, we have put on a modification for the wheel kit. And so basically, this is the control for the wheel kit. And it goes through some pulleys here to attach to these wheels. So these wheels at max will be all the way up here. And in this position, you're going to drop about 10 inches from its normal cleaning height. Your normal cleaning height, the wheels are going to be about here. And this is going to be cleaning the top of the panels. And then you'll drop it down to here with the rope. And so the way this works is, this is a locking cleat, so you pull the rope up like this, so it comes out of these locking grooves, and then you can pull on it. And on the panels, you're actually going to be pushing up on the unit and pulling on this. It might be easier with two people, but I was able to do it. On the panels, the brushes, if they're not turning, it's kind of hard to move, and so it's a little difficult. If it's spinning, it's actually easier to do that adjustment. And then going down back to the original position, going down to clean the bottoms, you would unlock it and just kind of let it loose, and the gravity of the unit would pull these wheels back down. It locked on me. Yeah, thank you. So gravity of the machine would just pull those wheels back down, and you'd be cleaning the bottom of the panels. Okay. Because of the size of the crate, we are probably going to have to remove the wheel kit to get it to you. And that would be the same for even a standard wheel kit. And in this case, we've got 4 bolts. You got this bolt here and here, and then this nut here, here, and here. These are just nuts, and the nut will come off. These are bolts where the whole bolt comes out. So you have those 4 bolts, or bolts and nuts, and then you have this connection right here. So you open this up and take this loop off, and then this whole thing will come off and set to the side. So when storing on the ground, just setting it on the ground or something, you can set it on the wheels here. Just be careful anytime you're moving this around. These do slide unless the rope is locked in a down position like this. And then, so don't pinch your fingers in this rail system here in either fashion. Be wary of these. But it is strong enough to where you can pick up the unit by these or set it down on it. For transport in a truck, I would prefer it to be the wheel kit to be off. That's just a lot of bouncing around and stuff on these rails and these wheel axles. If it is necessary, you can move these wheels up and down. There are different ports that you can adjust it at, but it should be in a good position as is. The rest of the usage is pretty standard, so we can talk about that more, but we'll go ahead and take this off now, and so you can see it when it comes off. So these take a size 13 wrench. Oops. Don't lose your bolt and nut. Okay, and I'm going to take these all down so they're not in the way. And this coming this way is good. And then these two bigger nuts are size 19. You can leave that there. I'll do it, or yeah. Okay, and then of course, like I said, the last step is opening this up and taking off. It doesn't matter which one you take off, but take off one of these. I'm going to leave this on the machine. And I'm just going to bring this over here so it's kind of out of the way, and the whole thing will pop off. One wheel kit. And so you know the difference. Where do you know where the standard wheel? Oh, standard wheel kit. I'll get it. So this is a standard wheel kit that has the lifting handle on it. And it just goes on there, and you just have fixed wheels right here. And the lifting handle is so you can lift it onto taller panels. And yeah, okay, that's it.